Good morning, it's Bill Freeman with Freeman's Construction. We're out here on a job east of Ramona. We poured about 100 yards of flat work yesterday, and we just want to show you what we did from start to finish. Let's get started. We're pouring some flat work here across in front of this shop out on a property towards Julian. You can see the boom pump here. Makes it so much nicer to work as we're not having to drag a hose around and he's running that boom. You can see how tall that thing goes. He can completely reach this whole area, which is over 100 feet. And as you can see, they're cutting joints in these 4 trucks that have already been laid down right now. We're pouring 6-inch thick concrete here with number 4 rebar, 18 inches on center. So I'm going to get up here close so you can see how they get this level. You can see the board they're using, that screed there. You get 2 guys on it, and you can see how they pull that back, which they go off the one side, off the concrete to get it leveled out, and then you can see the other screed board that's hanging off of pins that guides the other side. And then they have a roller tamp that they're rolling and then floating it off right behind it. And then we've got Eduardo inside, making sure the concrete's clean. And you get a little bit of splatter when the concrete goes down. So once they get to the end here, they'll slide that board down. You can see the end of that board right there, and they'll bring it all the way down. And then you can see all the stakes lined up. We just come down one bay at a time until we fill it up all the way across. So we've got everything laid down now. We're just waiting for our last cleanup load to come, which is going to be a full truck to finish this section out. And everybody's spread out over the slabs and doing different things on them. So you can see they use a trowel on the end of a pole to finish out along the edges. And you can see over here, this is where we started. And they've got the broom finish on these 5 panels here already. And they'll just continue on over, moving across. Just got back to the job site and wanted to show you the finished product here today. We've got all the plastic down, stakes are pulled out, and all the broom finish is done. Turned out absolutely beautiful. You can see all the deep joints are cut in. We really like to put those in when we're pouring, because if you come back the next morning it might be too late, and if you cut it too early, the concrete spalds and chips out. And this way it comes out really, really nice. I hope you enjoyed watching what we did today. If you want more information on ADUs or custom homes, go to freemansconstruction.com. Have a great day.